In this video, you learn how to open up a demo account on TradingView. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. So once you're on TradingView.com, all you have to do is go to Products, and you'll have to be logged in for this, so be sure to log into TradingView if you've not already done this. Go to Products and head over to Super Charts. This will open up the well-known charts, and immediately you will see Connect to our trusted brokers. But if you do not see this, and you probably are seeing this screen, then you have to head down to the bottom and click on Trading Panel and go to the left right here and choose Paper Trading. This is the demo account inside of TradingView. Once you click on this, you've right now opened up a paper trading account, and if you want to choose a different amount of virtual money you want to trade with, all you have to do is click on this little button for the settings and click on Reset Account, and here you can choose the virtual balance you want to trade with, as well as the leverage and also your currency. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.